Like, is it's like I've never been to a zoo where there's just no barrier. You're like right in front of the flamingos. They're looking so tired and sleeping. They're like nocturnal and shit. Oh look, they're fucking. Yo! They're straight fucking over here. This is kind of random, but I'm like in like a bird sanctuary right now. I drove like an hour. It's the peacock right there. I drove an hour outside of like Cartagena, and it was like outside of the main city, right, main town, and it's just like I've never seen like such poverty before. I can barely breathe, but just driving outside the town, you literally see so many like people living the living conditions of like people outside the main city. And it's actually just so crazy to think that that's the living condition. But I got kind of sad, you know? But because you're in an Uber paying $50 fucking to go to this place here, and people are literally just trying to survive day by day, which is pretty insane. And it's kind of left like a sour taste in my mouth, you know? It's like, how can I enjoy this when people are living like that, you know? But I guess I have no choice, right, to enjoy this right now. But here I am in a bird sanctuary. I wasn't gonna do anything today because it's my last day in Cartagena, and I was like, oh, I might just chill out today. But I already chilled out yesterday, so I was like, okay, let's just go out today. I enjoyed my last day, but holy shit, look at that. That's so insane. I don't think I've ever seen a peacock full flip, like, I don't know, be open like that. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, so let's go enjoy this park and shit, I guess. There's another one there we saw earlier. But yeah, I wasn't gonna do anything today, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's go out. Let's enjoy my last day here in Cartagena before I go to Mexico tomorrow. So yeah, here I am. Take you guys along with me. Enjoy this Selva Humida Tropical. Okay. Yeah, this place got pretty good reviews, so I was like, let's fucking do it. My last day, I did pay a lot of money to come here, but we gotta do it. There's not many opportunities I get to come to Colombia, so let's make the most of this Caribbean side of it. Oh my god. Always pigeons. Always pigeons everywhere. Oh my god. That's their nesting shit. Yo, I don't want to get attacked by them, man. That's their nest. Oh, look at these birds, bro. I've never seen shit like this before. Nunca en mi vida. Look, they're just eating. Oh, whoa, whoa, chill out. I ain't never seen a motherfucker like this before. What the fuck? Bro! That thing would kill me. Oh my god. Yo, like, what the fuck is going on, man? No scamper the birds, don't pamper the birds. Like what? Alright, bet. Let's keep going. It's a OVO. Now step this way. Step that way. Prickly pole. Caribe. Caribbean prickly pole. Press this way. Oh wow, that's pretty fucking sharp. No joke. Águila arpía. Harpy eagle. Is that like what it eats? No way it eats monkeys, cunt. Or like they're found along with them. Like, no way that harpy eagle eats monkeys, sloths, and iguanas. Perezosos. Monos, iguanas, perezosos. I don't know. But it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's super hot in here. Like, I'm just sweating balls. I don't have any water. I have no cash left. I feel like I'm the only one in this park right now, but gotta enjoy it. Is that a real bird? No, it's not. I thought that was a real bird for a second. That's that. Yeah, like half these birds, like not half, like 90% of these birds I've just never seen before. Like, look at that thing. What is it? Why does it run like that? Oh my, it can fly as well. Like, what the fuck? And this place is just covered in like you hear that shit? I wonder what they're saying, man. And like, even these trees, I don't think I've ever seen these trees before. Like, what is it? Like, there's like saps going on them or something. Whew. It's just too hot in here. Don't need to bust them. Look at that bird. I never seen anything like that before. Look at these ones. They're like colorful as fuck. I think we caught up to the people. They just spawned in. Like, the people literally just spawned in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like 90% of these birds I've never seen before. Like 90%. But I've never seen a duck like that before. Like, they got that shit on, bro. Like, you're telling me you've seen a duck like this before, bro? They're so skinny, these ones. And like, look, it's not duckling. Oh my god. Like, is it... What the fuck? I've never seen a macaw like this close up before. I didn't know that's a macaw. He's just eating. This one up here just chilling. Hola. There's another one here. Oh my god, there's like a billion of them here. Holy shit. And then look at these ducks. Look at the flippers, bro. I swear, like, ducks are just so goofy when they fly. You know, like when I came here, I wanted to do like a bunch of like the non-touristy stuff, but then I realized how difficult Spanish is to learn. Like, the language is so ridiculously hard. And I think it's also just due to my like just laziness. And if I put more work in, it would have been better. But I guess on the bright side is like, the more Spanish I learn from now on, the easier this trip will get. So, gotta like put my head down and log in. So, let's get to it, I guess. Gonna start grinding. And just keep on. I could be keen for like a fucking ice cream, bro. Hola, ¿puedo pagar con tarjeta?
Sí, señor.
¿Tienes agua?
Yes.
¿Cuánto cuesta por un agua?
6,000.
6, ok, uno.
¿Algo más? Tenemos paletitas agüita refrescante.
Should take a quick 1 minute break here. Have some ordering shit. Yeah, my back is just fucking drenched right now in sweat. Cause I went to Thailand and shit, and I thought it was like hot there, but I think this is on a whole different level, man. This is on a whole different level. Look at ice cream. This is my last day of eating unhealthy, I promise. It's so hot in here, like my legs, I don't know if you can see, but they've just been destroyed by mosquitoes, like from a couple days ago here, and they're literally just dripping with sweat right now. It's so good. Look at that. What's that movie? The Heron and the Boy and the Heron, that movie? Have you guys seen that shit? Like the Studio Ghibli movie? It's that bird, no? But it's like a blue heron in the movie. It's so hot that the ice cream is just instantly melting. Oh my god. Dios míos. Nah, he's hungry. Look, he's hungry. What the fuck? It's like a machine gun. Look at this. Look at this guy. He's hungry. Oh my god, I think we got those in New Zealand, don't we? Nah, I'm tripping. I think we do. I need to see its face. Why is it looking away? Like, I'm gonna stay here for as long as I am before you turn, man. I'm gonna stay here all day. Hello? Look. I don't even know what bird that is, man. It's pretty chill. Worth the price. I mean, this is an experience I've never had before, so I guess in a sense it's worth the price for me. You have to come here with friends, bro. Oh my god. Cigüeñuela. Cigüeñuela. I don't know how to say that. Butchering that shit, but they're like what? What is that? Like mini flamingos. Are these not just, I've never seen a mini flamingo before. But, oh yeah, what I was saying was like, if you come here, you gotta come with friends, because I had to Uber here myself, because I'm doing a solo trip. And it was a $25 Uber here by myself. And you have to pay 70,000 Colombian pesos to get in, which is like, can't even do the math right now. 28 New Zealand dollars, around that much. So that's like what, 20 US dollars, 18 US dollars. And I'm like talking about this right now, and it's just like I'm just like mesmerized by the flamingos in the sky, man. Like I didn't know they could do that. Are they even flamingos? What the fuck? I thought they like stand in like water and stuff. But yeah, come with friends because you can split the Uber price, and I'm sure this will be fun, way more fun with friends than me just walking around here exploring. But I don't mind doing it because it's all good for me. Oh, here are the flamingos. Look at that. There's like a billion of them. And it smells like shit here, by the way. Like right where I'm like walking right now, it smells like just bird shit. It's like a really strong bird shit here. Oh, check this out. Ooh. It's like I've never been to a zoo where there's just no barrier. You're like right in front of the flamingos. I always found like the flamingo like neck just so like interesting. Like two of them create a love heart, you know? But it's pretty cool. And the whole time we're walking around there's just like peacocks. Like just chilling. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna have to pay the same price to return as well. So that's fucked. But it's alright, man. It's my last day here. I think it was worth. How much did I spend? 50. Like I spent 130 bucks on this trip today. New Zealand dollars. So how much is that US? It's for like 80 US. But I think it's worth it for me. It's my last day here. I keep saying that, it's my last day. I'm trying to justify spending $130 for this shit, you know? Whatever. Oh man, it just smells like bird shit, bro. It's fucking, it's really strong bird shit. Check this out. Like, what the? And like, when you walk through it, they tell you what the birds are. In Spanish. Like, what is that thing? It's like a half pink, half white duck. It's got like the bill of a duck, and it's half pink and half white. Espaltura rosada. Oh, that is what they eat. So that you tell me that eagle, the harpy eagle, eats fucking monkeys and sloths. Insects, crustaceans, and fish. Fish and I don't know what that is. Anguilas? Anguilas. What does that say? Snake? I don't know. But let's keep on. Oh my god, he's doing a money spread right now. Holy. This guy's face is like fucked up, bro. Oh man, his face is fucked up. You see that shit? What is that, like herpes? And there's like more. He's all chilling. I swear we have like a bird similar to this in New Zealand, but I don't know what it's called. Like, when I went to Goat Island, it's like an island in New Zealand. Like, not an island. It's like a place you go in New Zealand where you like snorkel with fish. And when I used to always go there when I was a kid, there used to be like this tree and a bunch of birds that would nest on there, and it looked like that sort of. But I don't know if it was the same thing because it doesn't look like the same thing. But it kind of reminded me of it. We're in the Bujos area, the owls area. Oh my god, I ain't never seen an owl like this before. Oh look, he's so tired, he's sleeping. Because they're like nocturnal and shit. We should let him sleep. There's so many owls. But I don't know if you can see, but like just back there, there's like two. They're sleeping. Wow. Oh, there's like two up there as well. Oh my god, are these mini owls? Poquito pequeño. They got mini owls, bro. Wait, do you see that shit staring at me? Oh, they just like dead ass staring directly into the camera, man. It's like, if you ask if this experience was worth it, I'd be like, for the price, I'd be like, first time 100% was worth it. Would I do this stuff again? No. I would not do this again for the price I paid. I'd come with friends. But then again, would I even come again? Is that an eagle? Yeah, I'd come with friends, maybe. Because I've already seen this. I don't know if I want to come again. But it's definitely worth coming at least once. But I just got like, look how big that thing is, bro. Do you see the fucking size of that eagle? What the fuck? Look, he's like so proud and shit. Like, he knows he's big. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely worth coming here at least once. Ooh, that door's heavy. Shit, look how goofy they fly. Yeah, throughout this whole section, you just walk into like new areas that are like closed off by these doors, and it's just like brand new birds. It's just like, what the fuck? How many birds are there? Infinite bird glitch. And look, there's like birds outside of the nest. What? Wait, hold on. This is for Kaide. Wait, Kaide, you know how you're like, oh, I don't like mushrooms growing? It like weirds you out. Look at the mushrooms growing on the side of that. Let me see if I can get a bit closer. You see the mushrooms, the yellow mushrooms growing? Yeah. Should I like eat one? And go on like a mushroom trip right now? Or die? Okay, let's keep going. I don't even know how well you guys can see the birds because I'm not like right up next to them. Pigeons? Always pigeons. Well, look at the cacti. Ah, they're all the way up there. Can you guys see my sweat? I'm like dripping in sweat right now. No way. Toucan. I've never seen a toucan in real life before. I'm pretty sure they're like one of those birds that just like eat anything it can fit in its mouth, right? Like, have you seen like that video of like the bigger ones that try to eat a capybara and it's like trying to eat it and stuff? But wow, where are they found? Toucan caribeño, Caribbean toucan. So I mean, it eats eggs, fruits, and other birds. See, they eat anything, bro. And you got like a bunch of other these random, like, no, you're like the No one cares about these ones. Like the toucans are the cool ones here. Oh my god, there's more here. Look at that. They just eat it in there. Oh, look at this one. Yo, look at the size of this thing. Pretty sure it's like a vulture or something. But look at that. Look at his nose. What the fuck? Yo, his like nose is messed up. Vulture? Vultures too. I think we're almost at the end. Aves abuelo. 3:30 p.m. is an exhibition. I'm like 3:30. Time is it now? Well, look my phone. My phone is just broken. It doesn't work. 2:15. Like an hour. Is it next position? Exhibition. Wait, you can walk on these roads, yeah? So it really is like an open environment here. I didn't like, wow, it kind of opens up here and it's just, there's no cages anymore. Like, there's like no cages in the sky. Like, can't the birds just fly away? How does that shit work? Why do they stay here? For the food? Oh, look, they're fucking... Yo! They're straight fucking over here. Like, he got her pinned down and everything. Gotta get this on my phone, man. No, they stop fucking. Oh, damn. Damn, bro. Ducks are wild, bro. Ducks are wild. Wait, sure he goes for, is he gonna go for round two? Nah, he doesn't have the stamina. Let's keep on. Emu. Yo, I wanna see emu. I mean, I saw some in Australia and stuff, but let's see like a South American emu. Oh, they're the same. Hola. Yeah, I think they're the same as like the Australian ones. Well, you can see the ears in the back. You see that? See the ears in the back? They're like just straight holes. Wow. I wonder why they're not aggressive. Every video I've seen of an emu, they're just attacking people. Another one over here. It's not showing. But I think, I wonder if it's worth going to the exposition. I can't, am I saying that right? Exhibition. Spanish is like messing up my brain, bro. I think it'll be so cool to speak Spanish, man. Just like so cool especially between English and Spanish. I like the language more as well. It seems more beautiful. So we gotta put an effort here. Yeah, bit by bit, you know? Not too much. Because if you put in too much, I feel like if you just overwork yourself learning a language and you just get burnt out and you don't want to learn it. At least that's for me. So I gotta like balance I gotta find the right balance between enjoyment and grind, because learning a language will never be like 100% enjoyable. There'll be times where you need to like sit down, put your head down and learn, you know? Just like everything with life. Gotta find the right balance between work life, pleasure, you know, all that stuff. Just giving like a life talk right now, looking at birds. Oh fuck. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, this is like what the nose looked like on the vulture. Why it's like, what, I wonder what evolution did to like achieve like a nose like this. Like, what kind of like advantage was this nose? Like, I need to Google this shit now, bro. That's a real bird? Bro, I thought that was a statue. What the fuck? It's like a, what is that, iguana? It's an iguana in the tree. Bro, I thought that white heron was a statue. Is he fucking? Or sure they fight. I want to see a fight right now. Like a bird fighting here. Oh my god. Oh shit. Damn. Just tag team the fuck out of that one. Wow, powers of twos, huh? That's crazy. See, this phone I have is like, the quality's so bad and it takes so long to get the camera out. I was trying to get it out and like they already stopped fighting. Oh my god, there's one here. Yo. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, why is he attacking me? Shit. Yo, chill. Oh, that was the same bird that got bullied off this thing. Damn, he's in a shit mood, bro. But look, they're like both eating the food now. Wait, what the fuck? Those people are the first Asians I've seen, bro. What the fuck? Oh, there's a bunch more here. Absolutely drenched, man. I wish you guys could feel my back right now. Actually, I don't wish you guys could feel my back. That would be nasty as fuck. It's just drenched right now. This is like putting Thailand on a different level of heat, bro. It's like fucked. I feel like once you get to the countries where like it's already so hot, every degrees matters. Like even if it's just hotter by like 1 or 2 degrees, like average, then it's just absolutely fucked, bro. But let's push on, man. Let's go inside here real quick, you know what I'm saying? This one's like shedding and stuff. Hey, yo, chill. Hey, he's like territorial as fuck. Ah. They live up to like 80 years or something, yeah. Something crazy like that. But I think that's it. Honestly, like, it's pretty sick. I think it's worth the experience at least once. Like, if you can split the fare here with friends, then 100% come. Because you only pay like 20 bucks for an entry fee here. And you get to like walk around in the open with like birds and stuff, so it's pretty cool. But I think that's it for me. Gonna head back. I'm drenched in sweat. And I think I've gotten better with like recording and stuff in general because like, well, I'm really just here talking to the camera. Head back to my Airbnb for the night, and I'm going to Mexico tomorrow. So we'll see how Mexico goes. I'm pretty hyped for Mexico actually. Like after seeing what Colombia's offered, I'm really hyped for Mexico because I just want some like good cheap food, you know, because I stayed in Medellin for a bit and that shit was pretty expensive. Even like here it's pretty expensive because I'm staying in the touristy areas, you know, Cartagena, Medellin. The only cheap place I got food was in Bogota, and that was like all cheap. That was like just really good. But I need to go to Mexico for a bit, experience the culture and see how it is, you know. But I think that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.